One, two, three. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum assalam. Hello Bangladesh, Aska Shabak Kamanasin. Bonjour, bonjour Marcel. Aloha, hello. ¿Cómo estás? Mucho bien. Mucho trabajo. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you guys from all over the world, from whichever country you're watching from. I thank you and I welcome you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about motivational, inspirational, and educational purpose only. I really appreciate you taking a time to join me and watch this video. Super excited for 2025. Welcome 2025. 2024 was a very difficult year for me and a lot of other people, but I'm thankful and grateful that we have crossed over to 2025, and I believe 2025 is going to be epic and is going to be a year of overflow and blessing from above. I was talking to one of my friends the other day, and I told him 2025 is going to be a year of overflow and is going to be a year of a planted, and we're going to be planted like a tree that was planted by the riverside. The root is so deep and the stream of water is flowing, and the foundation of that tree is stronger, and that tree will withstand and water any kind of weather or any kind of situation that's happening. So I wanted to encourage you, and I wanted to let you know this 2025 is going to be a year of overflow, of blessing from above. And I wanted to let you know also that God loves you and cares for you so much, and He is about to do great things in your life, and He's about to change your life forever and ever. And your life is not going to be the same, because this is the year of overflow of blessing. So I just come here to let you know a little bit about myself. My name is Edward Ambar. I'm a pastor and I'm a father, a serial entrepreneur, also I'm an author, a brand new author. I'm super excited about writing these new books and publish it in 2025. It was published in January the 2nd, and the book is out. And if you don't know anything about this book is amazing, and this book is powerful. I want you to get your hand on this book, and I want you to also share it with your friends and family, because this book has so many powerful testimony and incredible knowledge and wisdom, and a treasure of just information that will change your life. And the book will encourage you to look forward to life and understand that you can start from a very humble beginning, but you don't give up. If you never give up and never give in, and you have a self-determination and you have the spirit of a warrior, you are going to go far. So This book is so powerful and amazing. And the name of the book, guys, is called From the Hood to the Mountaintop. So basically, that's a story about a journey of a young man that came from Africa, a country called Sudan, and basically have overcome so many obstacles and so many trauma and a civil war and so much. I don't want to give you all the negative, but I want you to understand, when you get your hand on that book, you are going to be reading and you're going to be like, oh my God, I wanted to know more. It's a very simple book, but it's powerful and a very amazing book. And I want you to get your hand on it, guys. The book is called From the Hood to the Mountaintop and is on Amazon.com. If you go to Amazon.com, you'll be able to get your hand on this book, and you just click on buy on Amazon.com and type in From the Hood to the Mountaintop, and you'll be able to purchase this book and share it with your families and friends. And I'm so grateful, guys, for you just getting your hand on this amazing book. It's going to encourage you, and is going to let you know that there is hope in life. It's going to let you know that when you don't give up, when you don't give in, you're gonna be able to go far. And also is going to let you know that being a leader is very important, but also you're not just leading from the front, but also leading from behind and having the spirit of servant leadership. And that's what missing in today's world. We all have so many people that wanted to be leaders, and they don't even know what the true definition and biblical definition of a leadership. When I'm looking at a true leadership definition, I'm looking at the Christ himself, Jesus Christ. He was a servant leader, and his heart was all about serving other people. And he also have talked about the least. If you wanted to be powerful, if you wanted to be a person that in charge, you have to be the least of the least. When he was talking to Peter, was talking to his disciple, he was letting them know, basically, being a leader is not about a power trip. It's not about the title. It's not about all that. But being a true leader is about serving others, and also being a selfless leader, and having the heart of a gold, and having a mind of Christ, knowing that you have to be the least. Even Jesus Christ, he demonstrated a true leadership when he was on earth. He have took water and also towels, and he sat down and called all of his disciples, and he started washing their feet. This is a true sign of humility. This is a true sign of humility, letting people know that even though he was the teacher, even though he was the master, or his disciple call him my God, or they call him master, they call him teacher, he basically sat down and he humbled himself before his all 12 disciples, and he sat down and demonstrated to his disciple that true leadership is all about serving other people. It's all about washing other people's feet, and it's all about drying them with the towel. It's all about humility. Jesus Christ humbled himself before his disciple and washed each feet and showed them love and understanding. And all of his disciples, they wasn't confused. They did not understand why the master would sit down and wash our feet. But Jesus was trying to let them know, give them a lesson that true leadership is not about the title, it's not about you above everybody, but it's all about you being humble and serving your people. And when you do that, that's a true definition of a leader. So yes, guys, I'm so pumped. I'm so super excited, and I'm praying that God always will give me the heart of a servant, always being a servant all days of my life. I committed to serve other people. I put other people ahead of myself, and sometimes I forget about my needs because I always helping somebody or always caring about somebody else situation, or always trying to just do what I can to encourage somebody or pray for somebody or just be there for them or just give just give helping hands or encouragement or whatever it is. So guys, I'm super excited about this book, guys, From the Hood to the Mountaintop. I want you to get your hand on it, guys. One man journey towards success. And another thing that I wanted to let you guys know, success is not defined by material stuff or not defined by where you are today. Success can be defined different to a different individual. So a lot of people associate success with money or fame or riches or your status or anything like that. But true success is not about that. True success is all about starting something and completing it and committing it and see your vision come to fruition. So I'm so excited, I'm so pumped because I've seen so many visions that God have given me so far, that every year He brought them to fruition through the hard work and dedication and the spirit of not giving up. And this book, guys, this book is one of my vision that I wrote down many years ago. But I know God have told me this year, this is the year that I was going to release it. And I'll release this book this year in 2025. And I'm working on so many other books to come. I'm super excited and super pumped and can't wait to write my second book and third book and so on and so forth, guys. So whatever God gave you a vision, whenever God gave you a dream, don't you ever throw in a towel. Don't you ever give up. Don't you ever forget about it. Write your vision down, make it plain, and start working on it day in and day out. And God is going to bring those visions to fruition. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you for tuning in. I want you to get your hand on this book, guys, From the Hood to the Mountaintop by Edward Ambar. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys. Love you. Blessing. Shalom. I see you for the next topic. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Love y'all.